Hello guys, we're going to discuss one of the permutation and combinations questions or counting techniques. So again, you pause the video to read the question. All right, assume you have read the question. Now, 5-letter words are going to form without repetitions from physical, P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L. So how many vowels, let's review how many vowels and how many consonants. So A and I are the vowels, and A and I are the vowels, while P-H-Y-S-C-L are the consonants. Now, guys, without any restrictions, how many 5-letter words can be formed from these 8 letters? You're right, 8P5. Yeah, without restrictions, 8P5. Now, among these, how many of them consist only of consonants? Consists only of consonant, which means it could be P-H-Y, S-C, P-H-Y, C-L, or C-L-Y-H-P. So all these are considered different words. Yeah, C-Y-L-A-P. All of this, even the order of the words switch is considered a new word is formed. So again, I'm going to not to list them out one by one. I'm going to use the machine to help me. The formula that we learned, six options, 6 consonants. You are going to pick 5 of them to arrange. So if we got a calculator, there are 722 words can be formed. Oh, nice. You have the shortcut to calculate, right? You don't have to list one by one by yourself. Yeah, you can try. All right, next, let's talk about B. So to come with more conditions. How many of them begin with a vowel? So let's say A. We begin with A because they say begin with an O. Vowel. All right. So we have 4 more letters to fill out. But the other letters could be anything else from the remaining 7 letters, including I. Example, it could be I, P, H, Y. Okay. It could be A followed with P, H, S, C. Okay. It could be A followed by H, P, S, I. Any 4 letters from the remaining 7. So similarly, we are going to use the quick way. 7 options, 7 entity, you pick 4. And then again, they will arrange for you. But it's a wow. I is another wow. So we can have the similar story for I. But of course, it will be paired with A, P, H, Y. And then begin with I, P, H, S, C. And then begin with I, H, P, S, A. And so on and so forth. So again, another 7 options, 7 entity, you pick 4. So we calculate for me. So this 7P4 repeated for A and for I. Therefore, you do times 2, right? So 7P4 times 2. I got 1,680 ways words can be formed. Got it? All right, let's move on to option C, question C. So how many have the 2 vowels occurring next to another? So A and I, we put it together, right? Now, if A and I must be in the 5 letters, I have only 3 letters left to be filled out by the 6 consonants. So again, it could be P-H-Y, it could be S-C-Y, but I'm going to use 6P3 to help me to list them out. Yeah, I don't have to list all of that. But what about AI? So imagine AI is a group, right, next to each other, right? It can be placed over here. 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 Is that right? So there are 4 possible positions for AI for any combination. That means AI could be here, okay, AI could be here, and could be here. See, for any of the 3 letters consonant, the AI can go anywhere in between them. So there are 4 options. Now, same thing. They say, well, the A doesn't have to be first. I could be first. So we have the same story repeated for IA, the same set of them, but repeat for IA. So, and double up for all the words that you can form here, double. So that should be the solutions. 960 words you can form. Okay, got it? Okay. Lastly, let's talk about A immediately following the letter L. I would say we can use the same idea as C. So it'll be 6P3 for the remaining 3. And then A can go to any of the 4 positions. But A and L doesn't have to switch because A must follow immediately after letter L. So they don't switch. So that's all. So 480 ways. Okay, got it? There could be other way of explanation, which also resulting the same answer. Yeah. Okay, that's all I want to share.